Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix access denied on ZArchiver. Alright, so let's begin. This issue usually happens due to missing permissions or outdated app settings, but don't worry, it's very easy to fix. So, in order to fix access denied on ZArchiver, you have to follow these steps. First of all, press and hold the ZArchiver app icon on your phone, then tap on App Info. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Permissions. Now here, check if storage permission is set to not allowed. If it is, tap on it and select Allow management of all files. This is the most important step because without this permission, the app cannot access your storage, which causes the error. After allowing permissions, go back and tap on Storage section. First, tap on Clear Cache and confirm it. Then tap on Clear Data or Clear All Data and confirm again. This will reset the app and remove any corrupted files causing the issue. Now the next step is to open the Google Play Store and search for ZArchiver. If you see any pending update, go ahead and update the app to the latest version. Keeping the app updated ensures compatibility with your Android system. Finally, restart your phone. This helps apply all the changes properly. Once your device turns back on, open ZArchiver again and the access denied issue should be fixed, and that's it. This is how you can fix access denied on ZArchiver. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.